Welcome back to Smart Tech, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. He Autoliners is not just a company, but the world's leading RoRo, roll-on, roll-off transportation giant. With a fleet of around 40 ships, He Autoliners delivers a variety of vehicles, from large and heavy cargoes all over the world. Imagine, around 3,000 port calls each year, covering global trade systems and providing reliable and efficient logistics services. These vessels are specially designed to carry a variety of cargo, from automobiles to bulky equipment. Candela P12, a 100% electric hydrofoil for passenger transportation, takes off like a superhero on water wings. Capable of speeds up to 30 knots, this innovative catamaran is powered by powerful electric motors of 55 kilowatts each. Imagine the Candela P12 rises above the water on hydrofoils as if flying across the surface, leaving only light ripples behind. With a length of 29 feet and a weight of 2,755 pounds, this craft can carry up to 12 passengers in comfort and style. The energy savings and noise reduction are what makes this a perfect choice for environmentally conscious travelers. The launch of Orbital O2 marks a new stage in the utilization of renewable energy. The most powerful tidal turbine in the world, Orbital O2, has begun operations, offering a revolutionary clean energy solution. With a capacity of 2 megawatts, it can power around 2,000 homes using the power of the tides. Installed off the coast of Scotland, the turbine is 240 feet long and weighs over 680 tons. It features 65-foot diameter rotor blades that convert the kinetic energy of water into electricity quite efficiently. The escort ship Izumo departs from port, demonstrating its power and readiness. With the ability to carry up to 28 helicopters of all types and simultaneously accommodate 9 helicopters on deck, this ship has impressive anti-submarine capabilities and early warning functions. Izumo can also become a command and response center for humanitarian disasters, providing essential assistance in emergency situations. Its advanced equipment and capabilities make it a key element in Japan's defense and security, and an important tool for maintaining stability in the region. Atlantic Ocean, July 28, 2017. A historic moment for the USS Gerald R. Ford. An FA-18F Super Hornet aircraft, flown by Lieutenant Commander Jamie Strack of the 23rd Test and Evaluation Squadron, VX, made its first fixed-wing launch from the newest aircraft carrier. This event marked a milestone in the carrier's test and evaluation operations process. The launch was successful, demonstrating the USS Gerald R. Ford's readiness for combat missions and reaffirming its status as the most advanced ship of the modern fleet. On May 24, 2023, the U.S. aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford arrived in Oslo, the first visit by such a ship to Norway in more than 6 decades. The mission aims to strengthen the partnership between the U.S. and Norway. The USS Gerald R. Ford, which departed Norfolk on May 2nd, is on its first global mission. With a crew of 4,500 and 90 airplanes and helicopters, the ship traveled through the English Channel and the North Sea. The arrival of this behemoth, capable of performing any mission, has generated enormous interest and admiration, demonstrating the power and technology of the modern U.S. Navy. When it comes to the true giants of the submarine world, the Typhoon SSBN, or Akula Shark-class submarine, is beyond competition. These Soviet-Russian nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines were developed as a response to the American Ohio-class submarines. At 574 feet long and 75 feet wide, the Typhoon are the largest submarines ever built. They can dive to depths up to 1,300 feet and reach speeds of up to 27 knots underwater. The boats are equipped with 20 ARD-39 missiles, each of which can carry up to 10 nuclear warheads. There are also torpedo tubes and an air defense system on board. Impressive, isn't it? Imagine a giant that can tear through the Arctic ice like a knife through butter. It's a 75,000 horsepower nuclear-powered icebreaker. This colossus, which is the largest in the world, has power comparable to an army of tanks and can withstand the harshest conditions. About 568 feet long and 98 feet wide, the icebreaker is equipped with 2 nuclear reactors that provide its incredible power. It can break ice up to 10 feet thick, opening the way for ships in the most inaccessible areas of the Arctic. In addition to its power, this icebreaker is equipped with advanced navigation systems and crew comfort, making it not only efficient, but also comfortable. Building the longest amphibious bridge using an M3 amphibious rig is an engineering marvel. Along the Vistula River near Chełmno in Poland, 34 British and German M3 amphibious bridge vehicles joined together to create a bridge that provided a crossing for 200 U.S. Army vehicles, including Stryker fighting vehicles. The M3 amphibious rig is a self-propelled amphibious bridge vehicle capable of rapid deployment and creating water crossings for tanks and other military vehicles. Each vehicle can operate either independently or as part of larger structures, providing incredible flexibility and speed in creating bridges. The coal barge with E-Crane is like a cool team of superheroes ready to tackle any task. Imagine a huge crane that easily hauls tons of coal, as if they were children's cubes. The efficiency and power of the E-Crane make it an indispensable tool in the world of material handling. This machine can handle any condition and guarantees fast and reliable operation. If coal could talk, it would definitely say, "Hey, that was quick and painless." So if you need a true superhero for coal handling, E-Crane is ready to come to the rescue and get the job done faster than you can say logistics. Tuas, Singapore's third desalination plant, is significantly increasing the country's desalination capacity, raising it from 100 to 130 million gallons per day. This progressive move helps meet up to 30% of Singapore's current water demand, a major achievement in ensuring a sustainable water supply. Watch this video and learn how seawater is turned into drinking water at the Tuas desalination plant. This achievement represents an important milestone in Singapore's strategy to ensure a stable and reliable water supply, reducing the dependence on imported water and improving the country's water security. Installing the Veha-Mate wind farm offshore in the North Sea is quite an engineering feat. With a capacity of 400 megawatts, Veha-Mate is located 130 kilometers north of Eemshaven in the German part of the North Sea. The project involved the design, procurement, fabrication, transportation, and installation of foundations, consisting of huge monopiles and transition pieces for 67 wind turbines. These massive structures were installed with scour protection in mind to ensure long-term stability. The work took place in challenging conditions on the high seas, requiring high precision and coordination. How about a look at real innovation in action? In August 2016, VBMS made the first cable offload for the Galloper offshore wind farm using advanced technology. No more divers or wet riggers, just clean technology. The remote control and buoyancy dumping system allows cables to be safely and efficiently laid on the seabed, reducing labor and risk. Imagine a cable being gently lowered to the seabed without fuss or unnecessary movement. This is true engineering in action. The huge transport ship Vika Blue Marlin arrives in the port of Rotterdam. Capable of carrying the largest and heaviest cargoes, this giant of the high seas is a marvel of power and majesty. With a hull length of over 700 feet and the ability to carry cargo weighing up to 76,000 tons, the Blue Marlin is one of the unique transport vessels in the world. A true masterclass in logistics and engineering is right here for you. Ashley Contracts are masters of their craft when it comes to marine civil engineering. With experience throughout the UK and Ireland, they do everything from coastal defense to underwater demolition. And in this business, they have no equal. Specialized equipment, like the Hitachi EX1200 XXL Triple Boom Long Reach becomes their secret weapon. This specially modified excavator is a true giant in underwater demolition. Easily handles tasks that others can't. Want to see how it works? A true demonstration of power and engineering that is simply amazing. Introducing the Wilhelm Forstenson EA11, a true marvel of marine engineering. Built at the Danish shipyard Karstensen in 2021, this 292-foot-long, 54-foot-wide vessel is impressively powerful and technologically advanced. With a lifting capacity of more than 3,000 tons, this vessel is a true Goliath among fishing vessels. Two RRM Bergen B33-45L6 engines make it economical and powerful at the same time. All crew amenities are on board: spacious cabins, a fitness room, and even a sauna. Imagine fishing in the comfort of a 5-star hotel. Meet the Water King WK250NG, an amphibious excavator that's ready for any challenge, both on land and in the water. Based on the Caterpillar 324D, this excavator combines power and versatility. It can easily handle dredging and water body cleaning. The WK250NG is equipped with a reliable Caterpillar hydraulic system and a powerful engine, making it indispensable in the most demanding conditions. Imagine how it solves some tasks that other technicians can't. It's a real hero on wheels and pontoons. At 1,263 feet long, the Ocean Farm is an innovator in fish farming, combining technology and environmental awareness. The farm's innovative design allows it to withstand the extreme weather conditions of the high seas while providing ideal conditions for fish life. The constant current and clean water promote better fish health, making for better quality products. The sustainable design minimizes environmental impact and reduces emissions, making the farm a model of sustainability. An April day at the Royal Bodewijse shipyard in Hogesund, the Netherlands. The moment has come when the 6,800-ton cargo ship Arklo Crest is ready for its great launch. The event is so grandiose that it was decided to record the video in 8K HDR format, 4 angles, 2 waterproof cameras, directly sensing the wave. An incredible spectacle for all shipbuilding enthusiasts. In the world of dredging, Royal IHC is like Batman in the world of superheroes. Their decades of experience and advanced technology turn an ordinary dredging job into a masterpiece of engineering. More than half of contractors around the world know that they can rely on Royal IHC, because their vessels and equipment are every engineer's dream. With such an arsenal of innovation and support every step of the way, you can not only successfully complete any project, but accurately do so with minimal environmental impact. Take a look at the dredge Boscalos Helios, a true powerhouse among dredging vessels. With a hull length of 500 feet and a beam of 92 feet, this giant weighs 20,000 tons, and its 2,060-ton cutter ladder is the heaviest in the world. Helios can excavate up to 115 feet deep, pumping up to 5 million gallons of water per hour. Its 7,000-kilowatt, 90-tooth cutting head handles even the hardest soil, making the job fast and efficient. Imagine, it can move 1.5 million cubic yards of material in just 3 weeks. In Monaco, a huge excavator does a truly spectacular job, plunging into the depths of the sea and extracting something from the seabed onto an old barge. This giant of mechanical might looks like a monster from science fiction, but it's performing an important task. With its powerful boom and bucket, the excavator lifts tons of material to help clean up the seabed or prepare a site for construction. Well, the old barge, like a faithful helper, patiently takes all the cargo. In Rotterdam, ship watching turns into a real adventure. This port, the largest in Europe, receives around 30,000 ships every year, making it a living museum of maritime logistics. You can watch powerful container ships, tankers, cruise liners, and small tugboats navigate the port's waterways. Special observation decks and walkways make it as comfortable as possible to enjoy the spectacle. Don't forget to bring your camera, as the views are spectacular. Open Hydro has connected the most powerful tidal turbine in North America and is now lighting up homes in Nova Scotia. The 2-megawatt machine was deployed by the Cape Sharp Tidal joint venture between Emera and Open Hydro, with support from DCNS. Installation of the Open Center turbine took place on November 7th at the Fundy Ocean Research and Energy Center, or FORCE, in just 2 hours. 24 hours after deployment, the Marine Operations team safely connected the turbine's submarine cable to FORCE's onshore substation. The powerful tides of the Bay of Fundy now provide clean energy for thousands of homes. When you need to transport 22 barges, each weighing about 3,000 tons, halfway around the world, the Blue Marlin is up to the task. This impressive vessel, one of the most unusual in the world, can carry up to 75,000 tons. Instead of the usual cargo, such as toys and televisions, the Blue Marlin transports other ships and oil rigs. It is 712 feet long, 138 feet deep, and has a deck the size of 2 soccer fields. Moving at a top speed of 13 knots, the ship is powered by giant diesel engines with 17,000 horsepower and is operated by a crew of 24. Operating this behemoth is comparable to operating a floating office building, an impressive sight. Watch MMDA turn chaos into order by removing water hyacinths from the Pasig River. These plants can crowd water bodies, interfering with ferry services. But with the help of specialized machinery, including floating pickers, the MMDA team is clearing the river quickly and efficiently. As a result, the ferries can move without disruption and ecological condition of the river is greatly improved. Water hyacinths out, ferries in. In just 8 months in 2011, Versabar designed, manufactured, and tested the Claw's subsea lifting device. Pressured by an offshore operator to develop a solution that minimized diver exposure, the Claw was designed to lift topsides from the seafloor with minimal underwater training. The 2 identical units are 122 feet high, 112 feet wide, and weighing 1,000 tons each. Operated by the VB10000 system, these giant steel jaws can operate independently or in tandem to lift heavier loads. Special cradles serve as a base to lift fragile structures to the surface without additional loading. The versatility of the Claw's design allows it to be customized for each project, providing quick and efficient recovery. Living on water in Amsterdam takes on new forms in the neighborhoods of Eiberg and Bergslaterham, featuring a variety of water-based housing projects. The second part of the Living on Water series showcases 4 unique neighborhoods where Amsterdammers live in very different typologies. Everything from renovated old barges turned into cozy homes to modern floating houses and entirely sustainable floating neighborhoods can be seen here. These projects show how the urban environment can integrate with the aquatic ecosystem to create innovative and eco-friendly living spaces. Ready for the techno spectacle? United Dredging showcases a complete dredging solution for all your sand and gravel needs. Here's a technique for you, with up to 24,000 kilowatts of power that can easily handle the toughest jobs. First the careful milling, then the excavation, and finally the transportation, all under the control of intelligent systems. Imagine machines that can move up to 5 million gallons of water and soil per hour. Technology and efficiency in every move. Maintaining a water wheel is almost like taking care of a vintage automobile. First, the hero of the video takes it out of the river and starts the monthly checkup. Lubricates all the moving parts, checks the belt tension. Nothing should be missed. Winter has taken its toll, and the permanent installation of the control panel and solar panel to charge the battery has been postponed. But these are temporary difficulties. After all the procedures, the wheel is plunged back into the river, ready for new revolutions and water adventures. Ready to see something truly amazing? Meet Glory Hole at Lake Berryessa, a spillway that looks like a portal to a parallel universe. With a diameter of 72 feet, This spillway is used to prevent flooding, discharging up to 48,000 cubic feet of water per second. It's like a giant sink that absorbs the excess water, creating an incredible sight. When the water level rises, a true show of nature and engineering begins. The Big Float E15 is an excavator that is capable of working on both land and water thanks to its optional pontoons. This amphibious behemoth is 50 feet long and 15 feet wide and has passed stability tests, proving its reliability and stability. With a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, it performs tasks that other technicians cannot handle. Looking at it, you get the impression that it could participate in a ballet of excavators on the water. So, who's ready for a show of underwater heroes? Salmar, the master of offshore fish farming, has created a giant platform that is impressive and technologically advanced. Imagine a volume of 8,828,674 cubic feet that can hold an entire sea of fish. The height of this marine citadel is 226 feet, making it a true giant among platforms. Salmar utilizes advanced fish breeding techniques to ensure optimal conditions for the growth and health of their charges. This platform is not just a place to raise fish. It's an underwater skyscraper where fish live in the most comfortable conditions and technology works for the benefit of nature. Meet Big Crab, your new best friend in underwater construction. This multifunctional underwater excavator is capable of performing a wide variety of tasks thanks to its attachments. You can use it to significantly reduce construction time and increase site safety. Big Crab allows you to perform underwater work quickly and efficiently, turning difficult tasks into simple solutions. Forget about long and time-consuming projects. With this machine, underwater construction becomes easy and safe. Imagine the most profitable micro-hydro power plant that not only produces affordable and reliable energy, but also preserves the local ecosystem. Using a low-pressure design, a new type of turbine has been developed that does not harm aquatic life. Believe me, such a micro-hydro power plant not only provides energy to local communities, but also maintains a balance in the ecosystem, making the world a better and greener place. The major production and transportation of oil rigs is a complex and large-scale process that requires precise coordination and advanced technology. Modern oil rigs, such as deep-water production platforms, are engineering marvels, up to several hundred meters high and weighing tens of thousands of tons. The production of such giants begins in shipyards and specialized plants, where tower parts are assembled to the most stringent safety and reliability standards. Schneider Umweltservice AG offers an economical waste management solution, the front ladder FUB. This front loader is ideal for situations where using large press containers is impractical due to limited waste or space constraints. The front ladder FUB provides efficiency and mobility, easily handling smaller volumes of waste and working in conditions where every square meter counts. You see an engineering marvel on water, the Liebherr P995 pontoon excavator. This water giant doesn't just process materials, it literally rewrites the rules of extraction and construction on difficult water terrains. With its unique ability to work in conditions that regular excavators can't even approach, the P995 easily handles tasks on rivers, in ports, and on other water bodies. Equipped with a massive boom and a powerful bucket, this excavator doesn't just dig, it overturns the water world. Trilo TL23 are vacuum containers that make cleaning the grounds a real adventure. These powerful containers easily handle leaves, debris, and even small branches, leaving behind a perfectly clean surface. Mount them on a tractor or other vehicle and watch them absorb all the mess. Imagine how quickly and easily you can keep your park, garden, or field clean. Admit it, would you like to try this miracle vacuum cleaner in action? Imagine a machine that not only works on land, but also goes into the water with ease. Crocklift introduces its unique amphibious trailers, equipped with tracks instead of wheels, allowing them to do incredible things. For example, we see how one of these amphibious trailers smoothly plunges into the water in order to then easily load a small vessel on board. This technique is not just functional, it can surprise with its versatility and effectiveness in performing tasks. The Aussie's module lifter is not just solar panel installation equipment. It's the key to the future where every installation happens with ease and precision. With its unique, soft-hanging legs that allow for perfect movement of the vacuum cup by 4 inches, you masterfully control the positioning of the panels. This capability, along with the innovative forks for smooth placement, gives your team the freedom to fine-tune angles and heights with incredible precision. With a 325-pound payload capacity and 360-degree passive rotation, installation becomes easier and more efficient, even in extreme temperatures from -36 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. With battery autonomous operation and automatic gripping features, the Aussie's module lifter ensures that every module is installed flawlessly and safely. Piot's Hulk is an advanced solution in the field of sewer cleaning and flushing, mounted on a reliable MAN TGM 15.250 4x2 Euro 6 chassis. This equipment stands out from the rest due to its unique design and application of the latest technological developments, which allow cleaning sewage channels efficiently and safely. Working even in the most difficult conditions, Piot's Hulk proves that no task is impossible. It's the ideal choice for urban utilities looking to increase efficiency and minimize environmental impact. Forget about construction ladders. The K67H from CIFA is here to lift your construction ambitions to a new level, literally, to a height of 220 feet. This concrete pump does not just pump concrete, it pours the foundation of your dreams. With it, you can deliver concrete to places even birds rarely fly. Ideal for those who want to build not just high, but also as quickly as possible. Up to 210 cubic yards per hour. Don't just make plans, build with the K67H. If winter decides to test your strength, respond with the Vamas SB4504, a snowblower that makes snowfalls laughable. This Arctic Warrior is equipped with a 450 horsepower engine and can clear up to 5,000 tons of snow per hour. Its working width of about 15 feet allows for easy clearing of highways, airfields, and even dense floors for polar bears. The Vamas SB4504 doesn't just clear snow, it makes it run at the side of it. Meet the experimental salt picker, which has already made a significant contribution to salt production on Lake Baskenchak. Created in-house by Rusal, this unique loader makes it possible to remove the salt layer and prepare fields for further mining with minimal impact on the environment. The modern machine is capable of lifting brine from the surface of a lake at a depth of up to 1.6 feet, which ensures low impact on the ecosystem. The appearance of the car is also worth attention. Its blue and red color scheme, inspired by the image of Optimus Prime from Transformers, gives it a special heroic character. Get a behind-the-scenes look at an outstanding construction project at a ski resort near Telluride, Colorado. This video shows how the TC50 was used in 2 key areas to prepare the area for interior concreting of a mega residential building. In just 3 days, a team of workers laid nearly 1,000 yards of gravel, demonstrating exceptional efficiency and organized work. This project is not only technically challenging, but also impressive in its scope and speed of execution. Hydrema Rail Solutions? More like Hydrema Rail Revolution. These machines will change your perception of railway work. Designed to overcome the most complex tasks, Hydrema units boast improved stability, high power, and versatility in use on various types of tracks. They can be used for everything, from track maintenance to new section construction. And don't be surprised at how quickly and efficiently all goals can be achieved. Hydrema makes railway work easier, faster, and safer, proving that true innovation moves on rails. The chip spreader from Etnier is your reliable assistant for perfect distribution of road materials. With this device, the coverage of gravel or other materials becomes even and neat, thanks to its precise distribution. Capable of working on large areas, the chip spreader significantly speeds up the road construction and repair process. Reliability, power, strength, and ease of control make it indispensable for high-quality laying of many road surfaces, ensuring the longevity and safety of your roads. Pay attention to this complex but fascinating process. A giant anchor chain attached between two large, powerful bulldozers rips out everything in its path. In this case, trees and other unwanted vegetation from the roots. The huge machines move back and forth as they do so, while the anchor chains, weighing about 20,000 pounds, rake the ground, also destroying the soil, shrubs, and trees with roots, which are then disposed of from the site by other machines. By the way, these anchor chains also serve as a kind of a shock absorber, easing the load on the bulldozer itself and preventing jerks with unexpected jolts. Meet the digital innovation in the world of semi-trailers from Technocar Trailers, the Techno app. This application not only transforms the way trailers are managed, but also introduces revolutionary changes in their operation. With the Techno app, you can activate all necessary functions of your trailer right from the driver's cabin, ensuring maximum safety and efficiency. Integrating with ABS/EBS systems and numerous sensors, the application provides full control over the trailer's condition in real time and can detect any operational anomalies. Whatever you say, Kesla 700 cranes are ideal allies and partners for various medium-sized machines, crushers, and various terminal structures. The models are available in single and double hull versions. Additional equipment can be added from the wide range of Kesla Pro G. These cranes can also be equipped with an electronic remote control valve. Both the Model 700 and the Model 700T are equipped with mechanical valves with an internal open control device. And what do we see in the video? How the Model 700 crane works perfectly with a modern Valtra T195 mid-size tractor on the forests of Finland. It's mounted on the rear axle of this tractor, and it simply copes with all the tasks at hand. The SFH from FAE is a revolutionary attachment that will change the way you approach tillage. Designed for tractors up to 500 horsepower, this powerful unit chops trees up to 18 inches in diameter and crushes rocks up to 14 inches, working up to 16 inches below the ground surface. The advanced side-geared transmission efficiently converts energy power into the speed and torque you need. Equipped with your John Deere, and the SFH will take your capabilities to the next level with high performance and amazing results. The Loader Model A988 is a true master of lifting heavy weights. Able to effortlessly lift up to 44,000 pounds of marble, this unit will be indispensable at any quarry or construction site. Power and reliability, combined with high maneuverability and ease of control, make it the perfect choice for handling large and heavy materials. You'll be surprised how easily and efficiently it handles the most complex tasks. Meet the Dipifox SC600, a bucket cutter that doesn't just get the job done, it does it with a bang. This powerful tool can penetrate the toughest soils and cut through roots without leaving behind chaos. It can be used for cutting, digging, and clearing terrain, significantly saving time and effort. With a cutting width of 24 inches and a weight of 1,300 pounds, the SC600 easily attaches to any excavator, making it simply indispensable to your job site. Meet the Pezzolato All-Road, a true beast for every road task. This versatile wood chopper and wood chipper can handle any vegetation and turn it into neat firewood or wood chips. Equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine that allows you to work non-stop. Its hydraulic system makes it easy to operate, and its maximum hopper capacity reaches 706 cubic feet. You can transport this machine on any road without worrying about its off-road capability. Forget traditional cleaning methods and get acquainted with the new Leaf Vacuum, your new best fall helper. Mounted on a Titan chassis, this innovative unit can be operated by one person, making cleaning not only efficient, but surprisingly easy. Thanks Thanks to the right-handed steering, you'll always have superior visual control over leaf collection, ensuring that no corner of your yard is left unattended. The self-contained unit is capable of handling large amounts of debris with ease, making it the perfect solution for fall cleanup near residences. Explore new horizons in construction with a Steer AS14 tractor and hitch, capable of producing up to 500 horses. This incredible piece of equipment is designed to move huge amounts of ground, up to 494 cubic feet, so it's ideal for large-scale construction projects and surface mining operations. Compare that to a traditional excavator, where the Steer with its scraper bucket can handle the same volume in 15 seconds. An excavator, on the other hand, takes over 3 minutes. Using a Steer trailed scraper that can travel from 984 to 4,921 feet, you'll find that it's 3 times more efficient and faster than traditional methods. Introducing the Optimus Vacuum Magnet, a marvel of engineering that makes lifting heavy materials look like a trick. This vacuum magnetic lifter can grab onto anything as if it has super strength. From bricks to steel ballast, there's nothing this magnetic marvel can't handle. Believe me, your new workday promises to be a real show. Speed, efficiency, and a bit of magic in every moment. When it's time for serious work in the quarry, the Liebherr TA230 Litronic steps in as a true beast. This dump truck doesn't just transport loads, it does so with such style and efficiency that even competitors give a standing ovation. Equipped with the latest generation diesel engine and the innovative Litronic system, the TA230 minimizes your environmental footprint while maximizing productivity. Large mirrors and a comfortable cabin ensure that every trip is a real pleasure. Working hard? Yes, but in such a cabin, it's pure joy. In the world of modern agriculture, every detail matters, especially when it comes to precision and efficiency. The company Vanden End from Sommelstech has implemented a unique innovation for the John Deere 6830 tractor: anti-slip wheels next to the rear wheels. This innovation allows the tractor to pull an 8-blade eco-friendly plow with minimal slippage, ensuring ease and precision in work. This approach not only increases productivity, but also reduces soil strain, making plowing more environmentally friendly. The GreenTech LRS 2402 is not just a cutter, but your new best friend in the fight against wild nature. With its help, you can tame even the most unruly bushes and branches, turning them into neat mulch. This beauty has the ability to cut branches up to 12 inches thick, making it an indispensable helper for anyone striving to maintain order in their territory. Use the LRS 2402 and you'll forget what unruly branches and unpleasant thickets are. Breidenbach Boss Beast, based on the Mercedes Acros 8x4 with the EFFER 2055 8S plus 6S HD crane, is a monster among crane trucks. It doesn't just transport heavy loads, it manipulates them with incredible ease and precision. This titan of lifting work is equipped with a powerful crane with a total of 14 boom sections, allowing it to work with loads at significant heights and distances. Perfect for construction sites where maximum flexibility and efficiency are required. The Boss Beast acts as a true hero in the world of heavy loads. M2PP Dynamic Compaction is a technology designed for deep soil compaction, where traditional methods may be ineffective. The method involves using heavy loads that are lifted and then freely fall onto the ground surface. Weights up to 20 tons can drop from heights of up to 100 feet, creating shock waves that effectively compact the soil to depths of 10 to 30 feet. This method is ideal for site preparation for construction, especially in areas with weak soils, and significantly accelerates the process of foundation preparation by rapidly and deeply compacting the ground. Toyo Tires has launched a new Ferret with 7-time national off-road champion B.J. Baldwin behind the wheel. It's unlike anything you've seen before. Any vehicle, any terrain. The original engine on the 1959 car has been replaced with an LS V8 engine. The chassis itself was upgraded to fit some impressive King shock absorbers. An interesting feature is a special hook launching device attached to the winch cable. To complete this awesome build, the Ferret has 6 custom wheels fitted with Toyo Tire's Open Country MT tires, with the middle wheels being hydraulically driven. Do you think it's possible to turn Earth into perfectly sorted material without resorting to magic? With the screening bucket for the Menzie Muck M545, it's quite possible. This screening bucket is a true wizard in the world of land work, able to sift out soil, rubble, and other materials, leaving only the right fractions. Think of how this makes it easier to prepare construction sites or landscape designs. Because even on the most uneven terrain, the Menzie Muck with this bucket will deliver precise and clean results. Keeping vehicles clean, especially in the construction industry and industrial facilities, can be a daunting task. But what if there was a system that could automate this process, making it not only more efficient, but also more environmentally friendly? Meet the new wash system designed for trucks operating in the most demanding environments. It automatically cleans wheels and bodywork, saving water thanks to its closed-loop system. With directionally adjustable nozzles that can withstand high pressure, the system ensures that your vehicle will look spotless, even after working in the dirtiest conditions. Why was the Cinnabuggen 340G the star of the Biocycling Trade Fair? Simply because the telescopic giant easily transforms biomass and food waste handling into an art form. With its unique pallet forks and multi-purpose platform, it makes heavy work easy, fast, and efficient. Operators marvel at its power and flexibility, which go beyond conventional wheel loaders, providing a revolution in everyday tasks. The Cinnabuggen 340G is not just a machine, it's your reliable partner in every job, boosting productivity and optimizing processes at every turn. Are you looking for more than just a rocking saw? What if they told you there was a device that would not only cut your logs to 9.5 inches in diameter and 47.2 or 78.7 inches in length, but also automatically load them onto a conveyor? This saw, with a 27.6-inch blade, features a ball-bearing safety lever with an ergonomic release mechanism and a fence for precise log length adjustment from 9.4 to 20.5 inches. A conveyor belt with adjustable tilt angle of 20 to 40 degrees and throw height of 66.9 to 114.2 inches will ensure that your work is not only efficient, but also clean. And all this can be powered by a tractor PTO or an electric motor. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.